What is going on, members of the Burger Empire? Brian here for Body Bag Burgers. First off and foremost, I want to say thank you so much for clicking, commenting, watching any of the videos that I've put out. It really means a lot, and I'm so happy I could break the stigma of doing my day-to-day life for you guys. But I've been wanting to do food videos for a very long time, kind of give you guys what I've been doing for my weight loss journey. I think the easiest thing that for me to film at the moment right now is how I make my daily shakes. It is 2 o'clock, which means I do get to finally eat. The fast is over and it's time to eat. So literally the first thing you're gonna need is a blender. I got my old cup here. Got a super old school blender, but I mean it does the job. Lock that bad boy in. First, what you're gonna need, blueberries. I do them from frozen. There is no measurement right now when it comes to my shakes. I'm not at the point of my weight loss journey where I, need to be measuring every last little bit. I just kind of eyeball it and go from there. So we got our frozen blueberries in there, and the reason I do everything from frozen is I don't have to then add ice to it and make it complicated, and it just makes a nice little smoothie. From there, spinach. I usually have more spinach than this, so I had a terrible anticipation day and just didn't go buy more spinach. Spinach is a very crucial and important element into shakes. From there, we add everything that's like powdered or not, fruit-based kind of deal. So first and foremost, pumpkin seeds. I buy these bad boys Safeway. They come in a container like this. I don't have too many of them left, but I toss them right in there. Next up, I toss my oats in. I put them in this container. They don't come in this container. I do buy special oats that are not milled with wheat because I do have an intolerance to wheat. I do use a measuring cup for this because carbs are something that I do track for the most part. I put in half a cup of oats and you just down them in. Next up, we add our protein powder. Unfortunately, since the oats have gone in there, I do realize how short I am on spinach, which means I'll just make it up throughout the rest of the day. I'll have a little bit more greens, but protein powder going in next. Legitimately our final ingredient, frozen strawberries and bananas. Literally, there's 2 places I have found frozen strawberries and bananas pre-packaged, pre-sliced like this. Walmart, as you can tell by the Great Value brand, and the other place is Save On Foods. But then I usually just top it off with the rest of this fruit. And then you literally, at this point, just add water to consistency. Personally have some pretty big cups. This is back in my fat days when I have these cups. So these cups come from the movie theater when you get the biggest drink, you get the biggest popcorn, you get the snack on the side, you do all the upsizing, all that fun stuff. But this is what fits this shake now. So yeah, you literally just pour in the water to consistency, blend it up, and you have yourself pretty much the perfect shake in the morning. You've got your fruits, you got your veggies, you got your carbs, you got your protein, so there's not much missing. I just thought I'd fill you guys on that. I do have a lot of running around to do today. I do have the gym later on today. Bring you guys along with that. It is a full CrossFit day. I'm going to shut that camera off for now while I eat this, and I will probably pick things back up maybe the next meal or when I get to the gym. We'll find out. Hey everybody, I just wanted to cap this video off first off by apologizing for not taking you guys to the gym. I kind of made the video about the breakfast shakes that I make in the morning, or I guess at 2 o'clock because I'm doing the intermittent fasting. And I said at the end of that I was going to take you guys to the gym and do some workouts, and I didn't take you guys to the gym. The reason being is I ended up being super low energy by the end of the day, and I really had a super distracted mind. Like, things were kind of going left, right, center, all over the place. So I really just needed to get to the gym, buckle down, and focus on the workout and make sure I got a good workout in. And even with less distractions and the low energy and the focus and everything else like that, it still took a while to get into, but I did get it done. So I do want to apologize for not taking you guys to the gym and basically dropping the ball for not even having taking you guys anywhere but showing you guys the breakfast or the I guess protein shake that I do take.
again, my apologies for that. I'm trying to work out a system where I'm not so low energy and so taxed throughout the day, but I'll get there. You know, I'm new to this whole vlogging thing, so we'll figure it all out. But thank you for watching the video. Thank you for understanding. If you like the video, make sure to like the video. Put in a comment section below if you do the shakes. Please put some input as to what you guys put into your shakes every single day, if you do them daily. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. It's the only way to become a member of the Burger Empire. Make sure to turn on that bell notification. And as always, everybody, until next time, which is hopefully going to be a full daily vlog for you guys, Burger Power.